Welcome to the OCDSB's Infolinx training video series. In this training session, we will be going over how to mark a record as destroyed and delete a record in Infolinx. Retention and destruction is an integral part of the life cycle of a record. Retention is the length of time a record must be kept to meet administrative, fiscal, legal, or historical requirements. Records disposition is the disposal, destruction, or transfer of records that are eligible for disposition according to the retention schedule. Secure disposal is the destruction of a record in any format, rendering it useless and permanently disabling reconstruction of any and all information that was contained therein. Each time a record has reached its retention and is eligible for destruction, the office administrator must fill out our authorization for records disposition and destruction form and have it signed and authorized by the principal. Once that step is completed, you will then update the retention status of that record in Infolinx as well. You must first search and select the record that has been destroyed. Then click Data Manipulation and Update from the drop-down menu. You will then be redirected to the Update a Corporate Records page. In the Notes field, update the date you destroyed the record while maintaining the previously listed notes. Under Infolinx System fields, click on Retention Action and select Destroyed from the drop-down menu. Once all the required fields have been filled, select Update in the top right-hand corner. You will then be redirected to the Infolinx homepage where you can see the updated record and all the information that has been included. Another way to mark a record as destroyed is to delete it. Deleting a record does not permanently delete a record from Infolinx, but rather puts the record in italics to further visually identify which records have been destroyed. Similarly to updating a record as destroyed, you must first search and select the record you wish to delete by selecting the checkbox next to the classification. Once you have selected the file you wish to delete, select Data Removal and Delete from the drop-down menu. You will then be redirected to the Delete a Corporate Record page, where you will select Delete in the top right-hand corner to complete the process. Once you have deleted the record, it will now show up in italics. You can delete and undelete as many times as you want through the same process unless it has been permanently expunged, a process that can only be completed by a corporate record staff member. Congratulations, you now know how to mark a record as destroyed and delete a record in Infolinx. For further assistance, feel free to contact Patricia Graham at extension 8241 or via email at patricia.graham@ocdsb.ca. Continue on to the next training video to learn how to search and request a student record.